In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of replacing your Audi Cabriolet key fob battery. This will just take you a couple minutes. All you'll need is a replacement battery, and for this device, it's either going to be a CR2032 or a CR1632, and we'll get into that in just a second. Both of these batteries you can get online. If you're interested, go check out the first link down there in the description, which will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a great price. Now, the easiest way to open this thing up is just to flip out the key, and grabbing on either side of the key fob, just pull it apart. There we go. Comes right apart like that into two halves. If that's a little difficult for you, you can take a flathead screwdriver and in this indentation in the back, insert and twist, which will make it a little bit easier for you. Now down here on the bottom, we can do the same thing once again. On the left side here, there's this opening here. There are these two lips. You can just grab on and pry this open. And alternatively, I'm just going to put that back together for a second. Alternatively, you can use the flathead screwdriver in that key area here and insert it in there and just pry like that, which will give you better leverage and make that a little bit easier. Now inside, you can just remove your battery like that or gently pry it out, and you're going to see that you either have this smaller sized 1632 like me, or the 2032, which is a little bit bigger. You can see the comparison there. Just see which one is inside of your device, and naturally, if you have the 2032, you'll be needing one 2032 battery, and if you have the 1632, you'll need one of those. And when you're ready to put your battery in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down, and you'll just set that into place. And that goes for both batteries, positive side down. And then you can set the other half right on top and squeeze, and then go ahead and reconnect these two. Click it down into place, and just like that, you are finished. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial just like this one.